3:30 in the afternoon. The rain's crazy. What gets me is how dark it is. And that. Oh man. I'm in the house and I gotta get back. It's throwing rain at me. Let's see if I can cover this enough to step outside a little bit. I think they said it was like 8 inches an hour the other day, but it only lasted 15 minutes, so it's like 2 inches in an hour. There was a tornado warning of about 50 miles from here, but we're not in it, or I would not be outside. Oh, here. Oh, I'm going to step back in a minute. See one more. See if we can see one of these lightnings. Oh, wow. Look at the trees behind me. If I can zoom in on these a little bit. Well, I think I'm going in because I'm not really sure if my phone's waterproof. In just 1 minute, just so intrigued, having not seen things like this before, being from Nevada and California. See, the sideways direction of the rain is interesting. No, I'm soaked. I'm done.